Hello everyone, this video is for you. It's a daily video that tells you what zone we're in, what basic weekly plan we're working on, and reminds you of your routines. Take a look, you'll see that these three things are here. There may be some other things in there that may or may not relate to the time of year, but that's okay. Enjoy. Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your Flylady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Thursday. We have 5 routines. We have one zone 1, and we have a basic weekly plan of errands. So that's our 3-layer cake. I want you to take it one thing at a time. Don't overwhelm yourself. Don't make it harder than it has to be. First thing we're going to do is get up in the morning and do our routines. If you're an at-home fly baby, 3 of them are going to happen first thing in the morning. If you're a payroll fly baby, 1 of them is going to happen first thing in the morning. And that is to get up in the morning and get yourself ready for the day by doing your morning routine. Then put your children through their morning routine. At the end, all the beds are made, the bathroom looks great, the toilet and the sink are shining and clean, the dishes have been put on the shelves and out of the dishwasher or out of the rack. Breakfast has been made and you've cleaned up after breakfast. Everyone's dressed, everyone's got their teeth brushed, their face washed, their hair combed. You have your moisturizer on at least, maybe a little makeup, a little earring action, something, right? A little perfume if you want to. You're looking good and you're feeling good about yourself. And you're in control. You are in charge. It's awesome. Okay. If you're staying home, the next thing you're going to do is start a load of laundry. That is so easy. Laundry is easy if you separate it into groups, into however you're going to wash it. You know, I do mine in lights, darks, towels, sheets. That's how I do mine. Sometimes mediums, depending on the season, how much I have. Sometimes I combine things. Some people do it by texture. I don't care how you do it. Just sort your laundry before. So you're kind of sorting it as you're putting it in the laundry room. So if you have a couple of laundry baskets, this one's for darks, this one's for lights, this one's for mediums, this one's for towels, and the sheets can go straight in and straight out. That's my suggestion. So it's not harder than it has to be. So quickly you're going to put a load of laundry in, put your detergent in there, whatever else you're going to put in there, turn on the button, shut it, and it's going to start washing itself. While it's washing, you're going to grab an inch of paper because you have paper clutter. Now, if you don't have paper clutter, hooray, you don't have to do this anymore. But you have to do it if you have paper clutter to get rid of it an inch at a time. And it will go away if you'll do an inch at a time and prevent future paper clutter by going through your mail and the kids' junk every day and not bringing more of that stuff in. Okay? All right. So, if you're working, you have to do the laundry when you come home. You'll put your laundry, you'll choose to do the laundry when you come home, and you'll choose to go through an inch of paper. All right, next is our zone. We're in zone 1. That's the front porch again, the entryway. So do one of the things on the entryway. That would be a 10-minute or less job. Not long. If you have still got a huge cluttery mess on your front porch, I'm so sorry. 15 minutes for you, plus completing the process of putting it away, throwing it away, or putting it in the giveaway in the back of the car. Don't save it for tomorrow. Do it today. All right, next is you have your dinner going. And you are going to have dinner. So everyone's going to have dinner. After dinner, we're going to all do the after dinner routine together. And then you're going to relax and you're going to do before bed routine. Now, the basic weekly plan today was errand day. So if you're at home, you're going to do it right after you do your zone work. You're going to get in the car and run your errands. And you have a plan for these and you've coached yourself. So if you are time challenged, you're going to have coached yourself, and you're going to say to yourself, when I go in the store, if I just have to go in that store for one thing, I'm not even going to get a grocery cart or a buggy or whatever you call it, or even a basket. I'm going to go in there and get the cotton balls and leave. I can do it. If you have to get 3 or 4 things, then just get a little basket. Don't get a grocery cart unless you have a whole load of groceries you need to get. Otherwise, you will feel compelled to fill it up. Just get what you have to get and get out. Follow your list and resolve to stick to it. Okay, there are other things you may have to do. You know, my ring, I don't know if you've noticed my ring. This is my ring that I got when I got married 41 years ago. It would be 42 in January. and I lost a diamond, and it sat in my jewelry box for so long, probably a year. I don't know why, because I know why, because I had had it fixed, and within 3 months it had come loose again. That jewelry shop closed. I went to a new jewelry shop, and they said no wonder, all the prongs were broken. So I had to have quite a lot of extensive work done on my ring, but yay, I finally had my ring back. And so I had to go pick it up, and it had to be on my plan to pick it up, and I had to pay it. Oh. But anyway, I love my little ring. Larry picked it out for me all by himself, and I love it. It's actually a cocktail ring, and we had to have a band made for it, but it's just very special to me. So it looks like a snowflake. We were married in January, so it looks like a snowflake or a Christmas tree. I love it. Anyway, I share too much, but I did want you to see that. I love my ring. I know it's not a big, gigantic, honking solitaire, but it's just a carat of little diamonds, and I love it. And I don't want to change it. It's the one I love. It's the one I got when Larry got engaged. I got engaged to Larry, and it's the one I was married with, and I love it. Okay, where was I? Sidetracked much? A little. Let me have a sip. So anyway, you're going to do your morning routines. You're going to do all these things, and then the only other thing you'll have left to do is your errands, which you're running, or if you're working, you may have to order your groceries and pick them up later. That's fine. Even if you're at home, there is nothing wrong with using like Walmart pickup or whatever grocery store you have to save you money, time, and distraction. Any other errands that you have, if you're working, you can run on your lunch hour. Just go pick things up or get things dropped off or buy that pair of shoes or get that new, I don't know, whatever it is, pair of socks you needed for the kids. You can do that on your lunch hour. All right, that's it for today. Don't forget to inspect what you expect. Always remember to be firm but kind. And the 3 clutter checks are for you and the family. That's it. Have a wonderful day, and always remember that you are beautiful. I hope you enjoyed that, and I know that you're going to have a great time in your house today. Remember to focus on getting it done first, fast, make it fun, and get it finished. Complete the process, and don't let those little things bug you that you see that are for future dates. Use your planner, and always remember that you are beautiful.